Takeoff Aviation Academy, virtual instruction in aviation training. Target audience, aviation instructors specializing in air traffic management, including those with limited technological proficiency. Delivery format, online, self-paced with optional live sessions. Course modules, Lesson 1, Introduction to Virtual Instruction, Content. Overview, Definition and Importance. Virtual instruction involves delivering training remotely using digital platforms. It ensures flexibility, cost-effectiveness and accessibility, particularly for global aviation professionals. Why virtual training matters in aviation reaches diverse learners worldwide. Enables real-time training using simulators, adapts to pandemic-related restrictions or remote learning needs. Expanded example. Research and discuss how platforms like Google Meet or Zoom have been used for air traffic controller refreshers during pandemic travel restrictions, simulating scenarios like emergency landings or high-traffic airspace management. Lesson 2. Tools and platforms for virtual instruction content overview. Key platforms and features. Google Meet, Gmeet. Simple and user-friendly for beginners. Features like screen sharing for live demonstrations, breakout rooms for small group exercises. Zoom. Ideal for large group interactive sessions. Advanced tools like virtual whiteboards and polling. Moodle. Best for structured course material and learner tracking. Integrates quizzes, forums and progress dashboards. Introducing tools to less tech-savvy trainees. Step-by-step tutorials. Guided practice sessions. Support channels for troubleshooting. Case Study 2. Conduct a live session on Google Meet where trainees practice joining and leaving meetings. Using screen sharing to present a case study. Setting up breakout rooms for collaborative problem solving. Lesson 3. Designing engaging virtual sessions. Content overview. Structuring sessions for clarity. Start with clear objectives and agendas. Incorporate regular breaks to reduce screen fatigue. Techniques to enhance engagement. Use multimedia tools like videos of real-life ATC operations. Gamify learning. For example, create traffic management challenges where learners earn points for optimizing aircraft flow. Leverage Google Meet's Q&A and chat functions to encourage participation. Example scenario. Simulate managing airspace using Google Meet's breakout rooms. Divide learners into small groups representing different sectors and guide them through a step-by-step scenario of resolving a conflicting air traffic situation. Module 4. Managing challenges in virtual instruction. Content overview. Technical challenges. Internet connectivity issues. Learner difficulties with navigation or using tools. Solutions. Pre-session tech orientation, e.g., practicing screen sharing or muting, unmuting. Use asynchronous methods like recorded lessons for those with unreliable connections. Activity example. Case study. A participant is unable to access a Google Meet session due to technical difficulties. Solution. Send a recorded version and schedule a one-on-one session to address their missed learning. Module 5. Virtual assessments and feedback. Content overview. Designing assessments for virtual delivery. Use Google Forms for quizzes, incorporating multiple choice and open-ended questions. Pair practical assessments with screen recording tools to review learner performance. Delivering feedback. Use private comments on LMS platforms for personalized feedback. Schedule individual feedback sessions on Google Meet for in-depth discussions. Expanded example. Design a task where learners must prioritize aircraft in a high-traffic zone. They record their simulation process and share it via LMS for assessment. Use a live feedback session to discuss their decision-making and suggest improvements. Lesson 6. Human factors and safeguarding in virtual training. Content overview. Human factors in virtual settings. Managing cognitive overload. Break complex tasks into smaller segments. Recognizing signs of learner frustration or disengagement. Safeguarding in online environments. Ensure privacy by using secure platforms like Gmeet. Communicate clear rules for online conduct. Activity example. Role-play a scenario where an instructor notices a disengaged learner in a Google Meet session. Discuss how to re-engage the learner through direct questioning or one-on-one follow-up. Lesson 7. Best practices for continuous improvement content overview. Staying updated on technology. Attend webinars on aviation training technologies. Explore updates on Google Meet's features, such as recording sessions for review. Collecting feedback for course improvement. Conduct post-session surveys via Google Forms. Analyze feedback to refine teaching strategies. Activity example. Develop a personal action plan for integrating a new virtual training technique, such as using Google Meet's breakout rooms or polls. Additional support resources, beginner tutorials, step-by-step video guides on navigating Google Meet, Moodle, and Zoom, help desk support, dedicated email and chat support for technical troubleshooting, practice labs, optional live practice sessions to build confidence in using virtual tools, assessments, quizzes, test theoretical knowledge using Google Forms, e.g., identify 3 ways to maintain learner engagement in a virtual session. Simulation task. Learners create and deliver a short training session using Google Meet, showcasing their ability to use breakout rooms, polls, and screen sharing effectively. Peer review. Participants review each other's virtual lesson plans, providing constructive feedback via a Google Meet group session. Course outcome. By the end of this course, participants will be able to confidently navigate virtual platforms, including Google Meet. Deliver structured, engaging, and accessible training sessions. Overcome common technological challenges. Design and deliver effective virtual assessments. Apply safeguarding principles and human factors in virtual training. Takeoff Aviation Academy. Virtual instruction in aviation training.